rest of the offense.
3rd and 4. Rodgers to throw. Lofts it to the near side. It's caught for the touchdown. Davante Adams. And the trend continues. The Packers have scored on every opening possession this year.
This is not bad. Jeff Gladney's playing outside leverage, but it's just that real subtle stagger and then burst by Davante Adams. And I think it's one of the things that Mike Zimmer has gotten a little frustrated with the young guy.
Rodgers, the fake throws. It's caught. Touchdown. Davante Adams, number 2.
Saw Jeff Gladney play outside leverage but still get beat outside. Look where his eyes are. He's looking at Rodgers. Don't look at Aaron Rodgers. He's got the football. He's going to throw it. If you've got 17.
Again, a 4-man rush. Rodgers floating it for Adams, and he got it! Touchdown, Green Bay, and a penalty 2.
Yeah, that's going to stand. Penalty is going to be on Josh Metellus, number 44. What a great throw. That is an unbelievable throw, the location of it. The timing of this, coming out of the inside number 3 spot. Here's the hold right here as he gets by. I mean, he just drops it in over the top. That is such a great throw.